Welcome in, everyone. We are at Hollywood Studios, and today we are doing Genie Plus. We're going to show you all the things that you need to do to utilize Genie Plus effectively.
All the tips, the tricks, the pros. So we're going to let you guys know exactly what to do so you can use it on your next trip.
Yes. Now the first thing you need to do is purchase Genie Plus. You can purchase Genie Plus the day of your trip.
Starting at midnight.
Yes. Include all of your party. The price will range based upon which park, which day. Yes. Today it was $20 for Hollywood Studios, and
or if you want to do park hopping.
Yes, it was $20, same price, but I think Animal Kingdom was a little less.
15.
So it just depends on the park. So make sure you purchase it, and then at 7 a.m. Eastern time, you want to book your first Genie Plus.
Immediately, every second counts. Yep. Our system, the internet was a little bit laggy, and as a result, we didn't get our first lightning lane until what?
2:30.
That's ridiculous, y'all.
Our time was 2:30 for Slinky Dog Dash, and we booked it right at 7 a.m. So you have to have good internet, book it so that you can get an early time. Now,
with the power of modifying, you can always adjust the time. So even if you see a time that you don't like, that's okay. Book it immediately, and then you can start modifying.
Yes. And at 11 a.m. we were able to book our second lightning lane. So it's 11:11 right now. As you can see, we just booked our second lightning lane. You can book your second lightning lane 2 hours after the park opens,
or as soon as you use your first lightning lane. So keep those rules in mind, because it's always important to have a lightning lane booked, ready to go. You can stack them and just maximize your day.
Yes, so we already have 2 booked. We have Slinky Dog and we have Rock and Roll Roller Coaster, so 2, and we're just coming into the park, and we'll show you, as you can see, how we booked it, and we'll keep you updated on different tips throughout this video, so keep watching.
Stay tuned.
So we are in Galaxy's Edge, and while you're waiting for your next ride to start, you can always go grab something to eat. So that's what we're getting ready to do. Grab us a Ronto wrap and chill out until it's time for us to head to our Genie Plus ride. Alright, so we are at Ronto Roasters, and we placed a mobile order. So as you can see on the screen right here, you go into the My Disney Experience app, go to order now, choose what you want, and place the mobile order. It's really quick. In the app, it shows you the different times that you have to choose from. So if you want something right now, you can go to the places that it says you can order now. If you want to wait, it'll show you the different times. You place your order. Once you place your order and you're near the restaurant, you choose I'm here, prepare my order, and then it'll come up once your order is done, and you pick it right up. It's really easy. You could do it as you're walking throughout the park, so that once you get to the restaurant, you could just click I'm here and prepare, go in, sit down, and enjoy your food. We get the Ronto roaster and the little veggie fruit bowl, as you can see, and also my favorite, the Tattooing Sunset. We spoke with you all earlier about modifying, but we wanted to show you all. So you definitely will go back into the My Disney Experience app, go to the tip board, and then you will go to the experience that you want to try to get an earlier time for. So as you see, we have Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway that's booked for $155 to $255. We wanted to try to get an earlier time, so you'll keep refreshing the screen by pulling the screen down. Once you notice an earlier time comes, you want to click those 3 dots, choose that earlier time. So you see 105 popped up, we clicked it, so we were able to choose 105 and get that experience earlier. So you can always modify, just keep refreshing until a time comes up that you want to choose, and book it as soon as you see it. Also, I did want to point out that you'll always know when you could book your next lightning lane by where it says when can you book your next one. So right here it says we can book our next one at shown time. So you'll never be surprised on when you can book your next one. You can also click the button next to show lightning lanes only, because as you can see, you could see different experiences, attractions, but if you only want the things that require a lightning lane to show, you can hit that tab and it'll only show you the lightning lanes. They have a new drink here at the Blue Milk stand in Batu. Is the New Swirl Crunchy cereal topped with raspberry jelly and mini rainbow crunchy candies. I'm gonna try that out. All right, so let's see.
And it is that peace.
A nerd came through immediately.
That persistence threatens to destroy.
I really just taste the blue milk.
Allow them to succeed. So, while you
I taste the blue milk and a lot of nerds. So, blue milk with nerds, this is what this is.
Supreme Leader has traveled across the far reaches of the Outer Rim just for you. All that we ask is that you enjoy yourselves, enjoy your family bonding time. And if you notice anything.
All right, we are heading into Slinky Dog Dash. So we originally had this booked for 2:30, but we did the modify like I showed you all. So we booked the 2:30. We kept going in and refreshing until an earlier time popped up, and 12 noon popped up, and we grabbed it. As soon as we saw it, we grabbed the 12 noon, and so we are able to ride Slinky Dog earlier. So when you do a Lightning Lane ride, you want to go into the Lightning Lane entrance, not the standby entrance. You want to go in the Lightning Lane entrance, and you're going to scan your magic band or your the card, and you get to skip all that line right there. Not your park card, your park ticket, or your Lightning Lane, your park ticket, your magic band, or I use my Apple Watch, as you can see. But look, y'all, we get to skip all the people, and look at the lane we're in is empty. So you get to legitimately skip the line. So all these people are in the standby line. They did not use Genie Plus or the Lightning Lane, and they have to stand in the line, and we get to skip and go to the front of the line. So that $20 is well worth it. Now for Slinky Dog, you have to scan twice. So I'm gonna scan again. There we go, it turns green. You can go on in. And guess what? We're getting ready to get on the ride right now. This is the ride right here. So we skipped all of that wait using Genie Plus, and we go right to the front of the line. It is so worth it. Here we go. So we're just getting off of Slinky, and that wait is 80 minutes. 80 minutes wait. We walked right on, as you saw, and got right on the ride, skipped all of that wait by using Genie Plus. So you tell me if it's worth it. All right, so we're here at the market in Pixar Square, and we have the
pineapple coconut slushy. It is for $4.99. Let's take a try. Tastes like a virgin pina colada. I feel like I'm on a cruise ship. It's delicious. It's nice and thick. It's gonna cool you off on a hot summer day. I enjoy it. What do you think?
Ditto. It's exactly like a pina colada, but a little more creamy. So,
Yes, perfect.
Yeah, it's hot out here, y'all.
You need it.
You need it. All right, we're heading into another Lightning Lane ride, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. The wait is 60 minutes. As you can see, those people over there in line. We are skipping all of that and heading inside and skipping this 60-minute wait as well. And going inside the Lightning Lane entrance.
We have Lightning Lane?
Yep, and we're gonna scan right here. Perfect, and head on in. That's the standby line. Hi. Get to skip all of this, y'all, by doing Genie Plus. And this Lightning Lane is empty. Look, empty. We skip all the line. Come on in. She's waving us in. And we join up right here. And this is the entrance. So we're almost at the entrance right here. So we skipped all the wait outside. Time to ride.
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! We'll be right down! That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga!
So we had a Lightning Lane book for Rock and Roll roller coaster, but the ride is down. So when a ride is down, they give you a multi-experience pass, and you can use that multi-experience pass for any ride within the park that's on the list. So as you can see, there are rides that are not on the list that you cannot use it for. But any ride that is on the list, you can use that multi-experience pass to get on that ride. You do not need to make another reservation because you had already made a reservation for the ride that's down. So since Rock and Roll roller coaster is down, we're gonna go to Toy Story Mania, and we'll just be able to scan in and get on that ride, since that's one of the ones that's on the list that we can do. So let's go see how many points we get. And when you do go in for your multi-experience pass, you see Toy Story Mania is 45 minutes right now. We're going to go into the Lightning Lane, and we're going to scan on in. There we go, thanks. And again, you do not need to schedule a time for this because it's a multi-experience pass. You could just go at whatever time. Oh, so cute. I love Toy Story Mania's queue. It's one of the cutest queues here at Hollywood Studios. I had one of these when I was young. And we get to skip all of this line, y'all. We get to skip all of that line. I had an Etch-a-Sketch too. Love the Etch-a-Sketch. Monopoly money. Look at this line. We get to skip all of this with the lightning lane. It's time to get on. Alright y'all, so while we were in line for Toy Story Mania, Rock and Roll Roller Coaster came back up and we were able to grab a lightning lane real quick for it. And it's a 70-minute standby wait right now. We get to skip that and jump into the lightning lane and skip the crowd again. So we're heading on Rock and Roll Roller Coaster. This is all of the line that we're skipping. And it's more inside, so we get to skip the line and go straight to the ride. Snack time again. You know how we do. Time to snack on a Mickey ice cream sandwich. It's a classic. Can't beat it. Alright y'all, so we just got off of Rock and Roll Roller Coaster. It was awesome.
Another successful ride. Got a slight headache, but that's okay. It was fun.
Well, we've come to the end of our day. We've only been here, what, like 3 hours?
Yes, but it was so great because we maximized Genie Plus. We used all the tips that we showed you guys. We booked it early, we stacked our rides, we modified, we added on when needed. So it's a win.
Yeah, we were able to do 4 rides. So we did Mickey and Minnie's Railway, Toy Story Mania, Rock and Roll Roller Coaster, and I'm missing
Slinky Dog Dash.
Slinky Dog Dash. There we go. So 4 rides within 3 hours. We ate lunch, we had snacks. And so I would consider it success. It was only $20
Absolutely.
for that Genie Plus.
So worth it.
You have to get it. I showed you the lines that we skipped. So you want to stand in lines in the heat, have at it. If not, use our tips and tricks we showed you for Genie Plus.
Yes, we had such a good time. Thanks for coming along.
Yep, we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.